Hi, my name is Lauren. I am a Master Provider at Juvly, and we are here at the Juvly Cincinnati office to talk about chin filler today. Chin filler is a great way to define the profile of the face. It can also help restore volume loss that occurs as we age. It can help create a more defined jawline, and it can help with the profile. So post-procedure with chin filler, you can expect to be a little sore, feel a little tight, and there's always a potential risk for bruising with the chin filler as well. So you can expect the swelling to be there for up to 2 weeks, but typically it's only swelling that you'll notice and not other people will notice. So chin filler typically lasts about a year for most people, just depending on how your body metabolizes the product. Some people can go a little longer. Some people may need a touch-up before the year mark. So chin filler is amazing. Everyone needs chin filler in my opinion. It's definitely a great way to help define your profile. You can always book a free consult at www.juvly.com to get your chin filler today. So chin filler is